In a corona, I'm outside. What we're going to do today?
Give you something to remember today.
A gang in this bitch. Yes, I'm doing something different today. I will prank in a Jamaican restaurant. Yeah, so I have a patty. What about patty? I have a patty and a roach. So what I'll be doing, I'll be acting like I'm putting the roach in there, eating the patty. I'm just gonna go in there complaining that I found a roach in the patty. So yo, stay tuned. Ah, dude. You have a napkin? Yeah. You have a paper napkin? Yeah. What kind of soap today? Alright.
No.
I don't need that.
You have to give me another one now.
Where is Bob?
You see that?
Who is that?
I will give it to my son, you know?
You lie. You really buying this like?
Yeah.
Give me a small soap then.
Here's your friend there. This is your friend, how you do this? Your friend made me do this.
Yeah, people.
Sorry.
The big bad restaurant up top, you hear that? Check them out, man. You see me? Authentic Jamaican food. You know when your mother cook the food and it tastes good, yeah man, I yes, someone I eat, man. Presentation up, man. Really affordable too.
$32.57 White Base Road, man. Between Burke and Rose Pumps, you see me?
No hood round here, Rasta. Rose Pumps. Yeah, people, so between Burke Avenue and where? Pum Pum. Rose Pum Pum. Yeah, so if you're in the uptown area, anywhere in the Bronx, up top grill. Yeah, up top. But it's authentic Jamaican food. Anywhere, see it there? Hey, stands for authentic, not ass. Very authentic. Get with them.
Just log in, man, and check in.
Fully. Man. Yeah, people, so right now we're on our way to Golden Crust. Let's get their reaction. Yeah, just got the Golden Crust. You're recording, I told this girl to eat half of the patty and she eat the whole goddamn thing.
That is half.
Bro.
Excuse me.
Bruh.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna go in there and just pretend like I don't know what I want. And you come stomping in.
Yeah, but you have to start like record. After you record and say, oh, yeah, I'm in Golden Crust. Oh, look at the cakes, look at the pastry. And then me I go come in and just start my foolishness.
Hi, can I have 2 small cornmeal porridge?
2 small cornmeal?
Yeah, 1 beef patty.
Who bake this? A roach in the patty basket.
No, I don't know how far you don't make it like you bake it.
Who make it?
It's factory. You know factory like things. Come on.
Hold on, excuse me. Just give me a minute. Robert, just serve it and so you test me some coffee. Don't mind. What kind of patty you getting? Mild or spicy? Spicy, please. Hold on, just hold on, please. Just hold on.
No,
Young man, just hold on, young man. I deal with the customer to come.
No, I like them style them one.
Hold on, I'm going to make it talk to the manager. Just hold on, please. Let me just run around and speak to the manager. The camera is on there.
It's a prank here, mommy. It's a prank. It's a prank, mommy. I just can't play with it. It's a prank.
Bro, you got me, bro. I was like,
Mommy.
She said it to the manager.
It's not that serious. Yeah. The roach fake to you, see me?
No. That's why I said hold on because you're coming, you publicize it, customers. Yeah. I told him that. And I don't know if it go to you and I hear you other patty. I said, come on, man, just hold on because I'm dealing with the customer.
No, that's how you deal with people, no. Yeah, no.
I'm going to get the manager to just hold on.
Alright. So your manager need to give a raise in pay.
Right.
Yeah, but check them out, man.
the Anglican family for check me out on YouTube.
Where you say?
One of those chests.
Alright. Yeah, man, you don't know the thing, though. Don't know Golden Crust. Anything you want from pastry to cheese to bread to...
Take back your evidence. So when you name?
Rude family, man.
Rude family.
Rude family.
Man, rude family, man. You hear that?
Rude?
Yeah, rude. Yeah, Road family, man.
So check out the Road family. And we have the Anglian family 4, so we're going to link up and do our next video. So I catch you on the job.
Alright, fine. Alright, I'm opening up your phone camera. I'm still.
Road family, big up yourself. Bro, you know, game I'm going to get catch.
The whole team.
Shane and Chrissy, big up. Big up Shane and my wife, big up yourself.
Robert, no elephant for the first time.
Remember the job now, I lose you. Road family, we stay, so we have a combination for those stuff. Link up again, here, boss.
Yeah, my G. Yeah, that was a success. So you get people's reaction. But she hold her composure still, and I love that about her. You know, she was professional. You know.
I hope I captured it.
Yeah, Mummy, big up yourself. I love you like personality, how you held your composure and just, you know.
I was shaking. It, you know? When she said is the camera on? I said no.
Check out Golden Crust. Golden Crust is one of the biggest franchise in the whole, like Jamaican franchise. Like it's like a KFC or yeah, McDonald's. But check them out still. Golden Crust, yeah, it's one of those places to go.
This is so good.
But yeah, on to the next restaurant.
Free Samsung Galaxy.
What's taking today?
Bring that go. Frank, what the fuck?
Really, nigga?
I get them get it. I want to prepare it and make it on basic. Jaja, never really spin off with the spin off, but that end part, that twist the phone is still.
Jaja.
Damn.
Yeah? No, Joe. Come on, go outside and be done. So the baddest Jamaican food are chicken and waffles. Anywhere in New York, the baddest chicken and waffles in New York City. Lash. Yeah, and other Jamaican cuisine, but check them out. Anywhere uptown. Mark my word, holy.
And the bad food, so
yeah. Them things can lie. Show them the details, them things can lie. Look on the details, that's small, that's just small and it's affordable. What me say? Baddest chicken and waffle in the whole New York. This is the crumble Oreo. Look at the details, check it out. So that's the crumble Oreo. Check them out. Remember I told you. Yeah man, that's the syrup, right?
Yep.
And it's affordable, check them out. Lash, you hear that? 800 Burke Avenue. 800 Burke Avenue. 800 Burke Avenue.
Oh wow, so she pretty. Her face nice. She looks so suspicious. What going?
No, she tell me that she did the party too.
Yeah.
Oh, alright.
me.
Any restaurant will have so much chef in the kitchen, a cook, yeah man, I eat man, I the bad food them. Them need a whole heap of hands to cook the food them, so I eat. A+ restaurant, no joke. Them affordable, them have everything. You name it, oxtail, fried chicken, don't know them have the soup menu. For the Mexican them, taco, fish or why? What shrimp, yeah. What else is there? Seafood, don't know, all type of fish. Say me all shibard out there, you don't know the thing go. And the bad chicken and waffle. I'm telling you, it's affordable people. Check them out, man, from blueberry to strawberry. You hear that? And in the morning, if you want breakfast, Jamaican breakfast, you know where to go, though. 800 Burke Avenue. Check them out. Lash. West Indies. Cuisine.
Oh, wow.
If you ever had food from any of these restaurants before, just comment the last thing you had from them. Comment if it did taste good, yeah. And if you can't do that, just press the button that look like this, yeah, the like button. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video.
Oh, run it, run it, run it, run it, run it, run it, oh, run it, run it, run it, run it, run it, run it, oh, yeah. I'm running up a check. I got a bad bitch, she pull up in a topless. Ass fat, yeah, you know I gotta hit it, yes. Balling on these niggas, they don't want to see me fucking go. I turn an 8 in the 24, I'm lit though. I turn a 6 in a 9, I'm the shit, oh. In a 911 push, I'm about to turn up. Got your girl more open, what's the word up? Oh, she wanna give me Becky, I would never fold up. No, I'm chasing green, I'm chasing paper, never cold up. Whoa, word to my killer, yeah, we got a gun tuck. And if a nigga mess around, he get his head bust.